I heard you guys are looking for me. My name is Tola, your favorite finance chef. So I dropped a post on um business name and limited liability, and you guys have been dragging me right, left, center, front, backward. Anyway, that's not why I'm even here. I am here to tell those limited people that have limited liability company, people that are registered as a limited liability company, that they can reduce their tax by having a withholding tax credit note. So you know that most times um when you give a vendor your invoice, a lot of time they deduct withholding tax from your invoice, which is about 10%. So I want you to ask those vendors to give you your withholding tax credit note. That withholding tax they deducted from your invoice, that 10%, 5% they deducted from your invoice. Tell them that you need the credit note. That credit note will be used in reducing your tax liability when you are paying it. So let's assume the tax you are supposed to pay is 10,000 naira, and you have a credit note of 10,000 naira. 10,000 minus 10,000, meaning you are going to pay nil tax, right? So it is very important for you to get your withholding tax credit note from all the vendors that have been deducting withholding tax from your invoices. If not, you're on your own. Oh, that's the only way you can reduce your tax liability. That is a way. Number two, another way to reduce tax liability is when you donate to foundations. If you donate your money to foundations like Oku Foundation, Faith Foundation, there are ways you can reduce your tax liability because those are allowable expenses in taxes. I've said you should go and ask for your withholding tax credit note. I've told you that if you give donations to foundations, it's also an allowable expense. One more, number three. You want me to tell you number three? Oh yeah, you to drop in the comment section. I have tried. I've given you to drop in the comment section. I'm going to talk about how people that pay employees can also reduce their taxes very soon. But this is for business owners, limited liability companies.